Hi, this is GoldFries.com. With us today here is the Armaggeddon Stealth Raptor MKA-7 mechanical keyboard. So this mechanical keyboard comes with a Cherry MX blue switch, so you can hear the key sound. Unlike my Ducky keyboard, mechanical keyboard that uses a Cherry brown MX switch, you hear difference in the click, right? Okay, next thing I want to show you is the other features of this keyboard. As you can see, from there, there's a dial here. The dial here is allows you to control either the lights on the keyboard or the audio. So as you can see, this is the keyboard cable. This is the audio connection cable, in which it's connected to the speaker. The speaker is on the monitor right now, and along with this cable here, it's actually connected to the audio output that's on the motherboard. So now let's see if we create a game. Okay, notice how you can adjust the volume here. Right. So if you're doing a lot of keyboard mashing like this, then clearly this Cherry MX blue keyboard could be quite annoying. But overall, the build quality is good for this keyboard from Armaggeddon. The Armaggeddon Stealth Raptor MKA-7 also comes with additional keys and also a key removal tool. Right, so I'm going to do a quick demo on how to use the keycap removal tool for you to replace your keycaps. Okay, there you have it. A quick video of this keyboard. And as always, signing off, GoldFries from GoldFries.com. Thank you for watching.